You can make your normal videos into 3D cartoons, and that too for free. You can watch these videos to see how perfect the effect this tool provides, and this all will be done automatically in just one click. In this video, I'll show you which tool it is and how you can use it to create cartoon videos. But before I start my topic, I want to tell you about an animation app named Cascadeur. Cascadeur is a 3D app that lets you create keyframe animation. So let's learn about Cascadeur Mobile. Welcome to Cascadeur Mobile, a powerful AI-assisted animation app where you can now sketch your ideas fast and create animation on the go. Control fingers with intelligent auto-posing controllers. Make natural poses in a few moves with the help of auto-posing AI, use visual references and preview your animation with AR. Auto-physics allows you to achieve realistic and natural motion, while altering your animation as little as possible. Cascadeur Mobile features a wide range of powerful animation tools and is fully compatible with a desktop version. Display trajectories for any points and ghost, and use auto-physics with a variety of filters to make your animation look real. Get creative, use your own characters or make some new ones pose and animate and bring your imagination to life. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Now let's get back to our topic.
But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me to create more useful tutorials in the future.
Step 1. To get started, first sign up, create a free user account and then log in. After creating a new account, 100 points are added to your account, and you will also get 50 points daily. Step 2. This website has a very easy interface, and here you will see this option of video style transfer. We will click on it, and this interface will appear in front of you. Here from the feature modes, first we will select Restyle. After that, in the left panel, we will click on the style options, and among the numerous styles available we will select Pixar style. In the prompt box you can enter your prompt depending on your character, but this is optional. In style strength, you can choose between normal and high, but I prefer normal style. As video duration is concerned, it is free till the first 5 seconds, after that it is paid. We will keep the FPS normal. Now, by clicking on the Upload Video button, we upload the video that we want to convert into Pixar style. After the video is uploaded, we will click on Generate Video button, and it will start the processing. It will take about 5 minutes to prepare your video. By clicking on the play button, we check the result of the video. You can see he has made such a wonderful 3D cartoon animation video. By clicking on the reference video button, we can check both the reference video and the cartoon video together. We now try another video with different style and see what result we get this time. Go to Style category, and here we will select Voxel style. By clicking on Upload Video button, we upload our video. Now we will click on Generate Video button and it will start the processing. After a while, the processing is completed and the video is ready. We have got very good result from this style too. According to this method, you can also convert your normal videos into 3D cartoon animation videos.
I hope you've learned new things from this video.
If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.